Ever see a drink online and think, yeah, I'll probably mess that up? Same here until I started trying. Spoiler alert, you don't really need to be a pro. Just a good recipe and a few basics. You'll be shocked what you find at your local dollar store. Before we get into it, let me tell you, my wife and I, we finally got a little time off. Handed the kids over to the grandparents, blessed them, and hit up a restaurant named Elegance Flavors. I highly recommend it. If you're ever looking for a spot that has good vibes, even better food, that's the spot. The people are friendly, and it's just a vibe on vibes, man. Sometimes you need a little date, afternoon or brunch or a little lunch, you know what I mean? Just to recharge. Yeah, it was great. We ended up playing some board games after, Manacalo, Awari, or whatever you want to call it. Alright, let's get straight into it. Yeah! So we're making a New York sour. I love New York. Come on. I live in the streets, man. Nah, I live in Edmonton, bruh. So first you gotta go ahead, put that sour in there, that lemon, baby. And you need that sweetness, so you got that simple syrup. 1 part sugar, 1 part water. Pour it into your shaker, and yeah, go ahead and grab your bourbon of choice. You're gonna put that 2 ounces in there for that good time. And that's really it, man. That's really it. After that, put some ice in there. And give it a good shake. My first time doing a float, so let's see how I do. Let's see how I do on the first take. Yeah, I suspected. Failed. Straight to the bottom it went, man. I believe this was take 3. Took some lessons from take 1 and applied it. Decided to go really slow on this one. Let's see. Apparently you're supposed to turn that bar spoon curved side facing up. But I went really slow on this one, man. And it looks like we have a winner. We got a winner, boys. Let's go. Alright. Yeah, so what I learned from this was go really slow. Temperature of the liquid is actually very important. Colder temperature seems to be more dense. So if that port is a little bit warmer, that'll be perfect. But yeah, this New York flow wanted to throw hands with me, man, but I came out on top. Get it? Float on top. Yeah. Alright, man. If you're feeling this vibe, I'll only ask you for one favor, man. Hit that subscribe button for more cocktails, mocktails, tips, and good times. Until next time, keep it chill, keep it smooth, and keep shaking. Cheers, y'all.